don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. What to do. Hey, hey.
Look at the path to patronize is exactly how it's looking. Telling me what I should, it's not telling me what I shouldn't. We starving in Hell's Kitchen, not even caring what's cooking. If you take away the hunger and leave us full enough to slumber. And now we rarely thinking, it's even hurting us to wonder. Cutting off brain cells cause our enemies got our number. They saying don't follow rules of the Bible as a guideline, cause Proverbs 29:26 is in a timeline.
They say it's live right, but not giving me the things that I should live by. They say it's cool, just be you, just don't steal and be real, you'll be healed. Telling me what I shouldn't, the very thing that they will, and I'm still here. What to do, what should I do to make my life well? I tried taking their advice, soon after their advice failed. Well, what should I do?
Life been the problem, I'm hoping I'm passing my test. Around bloodsuckers consuming what they can't digest. I digress, a mission of incompletion. Dreaming but never sleeping, hunger but never eating. Got speeches but never speaking, they tweaking. Funny how everybody got the answers but only wrong they rights. It ain't stealing if it's yours, so take your own advice. Got me reaching for the stars like I'm going home tonight. Focused on what they told me it couldn't hold me. Told me lead by examples, no examples was there to show me that OD don't be lonely, surrounded by many people. If you live life backwards, you'll be surrounded by many evils. Wow, while I was searching, I kinda found something. In the circle of life, you always gonna be around something. It just depend on how you deal with the matter. Time wasted just depend on how you deal with the splatter.
They say it's live right, but not giving me the things that I should live by. They say it's cool, just be you, just don't steal and be real, you'll be healed. Telling me what I shouldn't, the very thing that they will, and I'm still here. What to do, what should I do to make my life well? I tried taking their advice, soon after their advice failed. Well, what should I do?
Got a nose for the wrong, gotta knock that scent. I got goals of being the accomplishment, cause I got babies, gotta look after in my home. Righteous to a higher, I hope they look after I'm gone. You lukewarm, not me, I'm not being sorted. The kingdom, the Father delivering. Hope I'm in the order, put my best suit on. Hope I meet this expectation. Yeah, they taking shots, but this ain't regulation. 9 to 5, doing the Father's will is better working. Why put the book down if it's making me a better person? Gotta give me something to replace that then. Cause the place I was in is the place you sin. The people I took at my life shouldn't be placed back in. The battle I just won, you wanna erase that win. Why? Cause correction is what you can't stand. What you call living right can be harmful to the next
They say
man.
it's live right,